PS5 version of Forza Horizon 5 will require you to link a Microsoft account to your PlayStation Network account in order to play the game, according to an FAQ on the game's official website. The FAQ says that players will be prompted to link the two the first time they load the game, and if you unlink later, you'll be constrained to relinking to only that specific and originally linked Microsoft account. The requirement stings, given that there's no cross-platform saving, so the progress you make in the PS5 version isn't reflected in the Xbox version. It's the same situation for the Steam version, as the FAQ points out. It also notes that Horizon players will need a PlayStation Plus subscription to access the game's multiplayer feature, and there are no plans for a disc release. When Forza Horizon 5 releases on the PS5 on April 29, it'll be the latest Xbox exclusive to make the leap to Sony's console, joining games of Sea of Thieves, which also requires you to link a Microsoft account before you can play. Gamers haven't been keen on required account linking when Sony's done it in the past. The company actually removed a requirement for you to sign in with your PSN account for some PC versions of some games, including Helldivers 2, and more recently, God of War Ragnarok and Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered.